Dear parent, every child needs to learn technology, but not every child will become a software developer or a hardware engineer. Hi, my name is Joshua and I'm the Chief Vision Officer at Skool now Limited. I'm sure you've heard enough of, oh, it's a tech generation, migrate your child into tech. As that is true, that is still not the reason why your child should give up his or her dreams of becoming a lawyer or a doctor to then adopt engineering as in STEM education. But please understand this, that technology makes life easier and makes work faster. So it is found in every single sector or career that your son or your daughter may or may not want to venture into in the future, including medicine and law. For this purpose, we have designed a robust curriculum in the Tech Club to allow your child learn applied digital skills without having to learn codes or build robots. Research skills, creative writing, presentation skills, design skills, analytics, time management, project management, and so much more with a focus on innovation and entrepreneurship, which is simply problem solving. It takes a child 3 academic sessions to complete the fundamental levels of Tech Club, after which we would advise the parents whether a child should get into STEM Club where they will learn to create new technologies or simply consolidate on existing tools inside the Tech Club Advanced this time around. This program is designed to run weekly on Wednesdays by 7 p.m. and on Saturdays by 10 o'clock a.m. in the morning for kids within the age range of 7 years to 18 years old. And good news, Tech Club runs 100% online to allow your child connect, collaborate, engage, learn, and compete with fellow students all across the country. And good news, the learners checklists are the webcam-enabled laptop, internet access, and registration pass. The next entry for Tech Club is scheduled for January 2022. To know more or get started, find the link in the description below. See you in class.